Hi, let's make a box.
Woo, boxes!
Box. Decorating a box. Super fun. Today we're going to be making my best friend her birthday present, and it's gonna be a box. I made this one for my dad for his birthday. So let's go to Michael's and get some supplies. Here is what I got. First, I got this pencil case. It was only $1. Of course, the box, pretty important for this project. This is a good one. You kind of have to check because not all of these are like on straight, but this one's pretty good. Mod Podge. I'm gonna try this out. It says super high shine, so we'll see how it is. And then sticky gems. I didn't know that they're sticky, but it's kind of cute. They're little hearts. I'll probably use glue on these too for extra security. And then the bear. So there's my Michael's haul. Alright, so the first thing to do is prime the box, but before I even get to that, I'm taping off the little metal pieces so that I don't get any paint on them and they can stay like shiny. And last time I used like spray paint primer, but I didn't want to do that this time because that made a texture that needed to be like sandpapered down, and I don't have any sandpaper. I also don't have gesso, so I just used white paint, but it worked out. So now I'm gonna glue these little letter pieces onto the box so that it says Annika's name. There it is. I was recently so excited when I found this glitter paint, but very disappointed when I used it because it's basically just glitter glue. It takes just as long to dry, but it's even less glittery. So unfortunately, I don't recommend it, but it was fun to experiment. I worked on the box a little bit last night. Here it is. Before I had outlined all of these letters, but then I thought it looked weird. And it needed more going on. So I added some little dots, and then, I did another layer on all of this, and then I did the doily on the top. It's like a funky doily. I like it. And then I gave the bear little cheeks and fingernails, red fingernails and toenails. I kind of feel like it needs something going on here, but there's gonna be hearts up here. Like, okay, I'll show you, but then I have to do the sides. Okay, let me show you the hearts. Today is a new day. I've got my iced vanilla latte and I've done some different sides of the box. I'm just having so much fun. And in a minute I'm gonna start painting a new side. Just a little relaxing, fun moment before I go to work. So I finished painting the box. I think it looks super cute. I had so much fun painting it. Like, it's really fun to just not have much of a plan and like every side is a new side to do stuff on. I wanted it to be kind of crazy rainbow like this and I really like it. This might be my favorite side, like especially with the way that these colors all like bounce off each other because it's so crazy looking. Oh yeah, so I put BFF on this side and then this side says, well, hello there, because I have this mustache that you squeeze it and it says that. And Annika likes that thing, so. And then there's my little lacy, doily, funky thing. And then of course, this is what it'll look like with the bear. Oh, and this side says ciao for now, because whenever we talk on the phone, like at the end of call, we're like ciao for now, and then we say bye. And then for the bear, Annika really likes sun bears, so I'm going to add like the little sun bear, like lighter brown color right here to complete it. But before I do all that, I want to do the inside of the box. So I'm going to put fabric on the inside so that it's really cute and sweet. Here's my closet. This thing has a bunch of stuff in it. This one is so cute. I like this. I think she would like that one. Oh my god, this is my old... One time I tried to make a quilt and it did not go... I don't like it. It did not go well, and then I was like, this is taking forever, so I was like, I'll just make a quilted bag. And I never finished it, but I hate it. I wasn't thinking about design at all. I was just sewing random stuff together. This side is, oh, I don't know. I don't like it. This one is really cute. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna take these out as options. That's good. Then I have more stuff up here, like ribbons. Oh. Let's see. See, this is where I have all the cute stuff, like pink. Okay, this is, I think it's all in. Oh, there's more. Okay, there's more in this one. I'm also not completely sure how I'm gonna do the fabric. Oh, I think she would like this. There was like this like quilt fair type thing, like it was like at a quilting store and they had a bunch of people tabling outside and this one person was selling like scrap fabric, so I got a bunch of good fabric from her. I like this one because it's so like, I don't know, like with this, it looks crazy in like a good way. But I feel like it might be sweet to do like tiny pattern because it's like tiny inside. But I do like how that looks too. Now I've already Mod Podged in the fabric pieces and I'm just hot gluing in the ribbon. I'm going to use different ribbons on both sides and I'm going really slow, just a little bit of glue at a time so that I can make sure the ribbon is like in place where it should be. Then I cut it and it's good to go. And here is the finished inside box. Okay, so now I'm outside and I'm gonna spray the box. I prepared it by putting paper towel like in the edges so that when I spray it, it doesn't seal the box closed. And I also covered the little metal parts with washi tape because I want those to stay like the metal texture and not the shiny texture that I'm putting on. So I'm gonna use this Mod Podge super high shine spray. I tried to test it, but I got impatient and I'm just gonna go for it now. Okay, I just glued on the heart gemstones. I think it looks so cute. And I did the Mod Podge gloss primer and I really like it. It makes it just feel nice and finished. And the gloss isn't too crazy. I was a little worried. And it's also not sticky at all. That's the other thing I was worried about. But now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Dun da da da! The bear! Let's glue on the bear. It was so much fun to work on. I loved making it. I can't believe I'm done. I have there's some glue strands that I have to clean up, but other than that, here it is. Yeah, so I just glued on these little hearts. There's the bear. I added the little sun bear spot. I painted her nails, gave her little cheeks. Yeah, so here are all the sides complete. And then I'll show you the inside. There it is. So for the inside, I cut fabric and then I put glue. Okay, so I had this Mod Podge glue, but it was meant for paper and it's glossy. So I was not completely sure because I thought I had regular Mod Podge, but then I also had matte medium, which I use for paper collage, and that works really well. So I couldn't decide which one to use, so I did both. I put the Mod Podge on the inside of the box, and then I put the matte medium on the back of the fabric, and then I put the fabric inside and I mushed it all around. I dried it with a hairdryer. I let it air dry a little. Then I hot glued the ribbons. So yeah, there's the box. I can't wait to give it to Annika. I have to mail it to her, so I'll have to figure out a safe way. Thank you so much for watching me make this box. It was so much fun. I just had a lot of fun. Check out some of my other videos for other fun stuff. Bye!